I think I've grown a lot as a judge. Um, Everybody think they've seen everything, and I came over here and I was a lot more protected from a lot of reality. So you really do see, as an attorney, you have an advanced degree in human nature, but as a judge, it's even another rung up the ladder. You see everybody and everything at their worst, and you see it over and over again. I'm maybe more certain in my decision making. When you start sentencing people to prison, yeah, I had a tendency to maybe stray my shots a little bit, and as I get more experienced, my pattern's a little tighter. Although having had neither a defense or a prosecutory background, I don't have any bias. I think I frustrate the bar sometimes because I don't have a preconceived position and they don't always know what to expect. As judges, we decide cases and we try to solve problems, but there are a lot of these cases you can't solve the problem. And I think that's the part that's really frustrating. Especially, I mean, we make decisions that affect people's lives dramatically, and there's a lot of situations that you can make the best decision you can, but it isn't going to really solve the problem. And that's the not so best part. I think the best thing for me is that some of these cases where some of my practical background has come to play. I've written some erosion cases that got appealed, and some of my theories got adopted by the appellate courts and have established some law, and those are areas where my personal background allowed me to have some insight into the situation. And I've tried some big cases, and they're fun to try. I mean, murder cases are always challenging, but they're exciting. Things happen, unexpected things come up. You know, you're usually sitting out there, but you know, you have to improvise and you have to do things on the fly, and that's fun. I tried a 6-week-long medical malpractice case with a lot of real high-powered attorneys on both the defense and the plaintiff side, and really felt like I was playing in a major league arena, and that's fun. It's fun to be able to do that. I realized that I only have a limited amount of time to go enjoy myself. Okay. I've worked really hard for a long time, and I'm blessed to have the ability to do some of the things that I have always wanted to do. And there was a point in time where I didn't think that was going to be a possibility. Oh, okay. Yeah, the mandatory retirement 72. I'm only quitting a year and a half early. Okay, so you're 70 now. Then. So okay. I turned 70 in December, and yeah, it's time for me to just start focusing on some other things. I have a lot of interests, and family and friends have encouraged me to do this. And after my illness, that's frankly what convinced me to go ahead. I like my job, and I have really dragged my feet at giving it up because I to this day very much enjoy what I do.